Have you ever struggled to find clients as a freelance developer? I have. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 easy, actionable tips that you can use to tackle that problem. What's up people, and welcome to Developer Habits, a YouTube channel for software engineers interested in growth mindset, developer lifestyle and technical tutorials. My name is Ketmar, I'm a full stack developer from Estonia and I have over 8 years of freelancing experience. And as said before, in today's video I'm going to share my tips on how to find clients as a freelance developer. Tip number 1. Have a portfolio. I guess I'm stating the obvious when I say that if you want to find clients as a freelance developer, you must have a portfolio. And not just a simple website, but a page that includes information about your experience and skills, about your projects, whether these are pet projects or client works, and also a contact form, so that when anyone wants to, reach out to you, they can easily do that. And by the way, I have actually made a video about what a good developer portfolio should be about. So definitely check it out. Tip number 2. Spread the info amongst your friends, family, and social network. Freelancing has a lot to do with marketing. And one of the easiest ways to market yourself is by spreading the information amongst your friends, family, and social network. I cannot count the number of projects I've gotten just because my mom's relatives' friend needed a project. So make sure you share the information that you are freelancing amongst your family, friends, and social network. Join your local freelancer groups in Facebook. Another great source of new projects for me have been Facebook groups that are targeted at freelancers. Usually they contain different kind of job offers that are project based. And I believe it's a really nice way for freelancers to make themselves known. For example, if you have just built up your portfolio, make sure to share your portfolio and say that you are accepting new projects. Tip number 4. Hunt for potential clients in Google. One of my favorites and most effective ways of finding clients as a freelancer is just by reaching out to the potential customers via Google. I select some kind of specific industry or niche, start Googling that, and try to create a list of potential clients who have a poor website. I go through those websites, create a list of improvements, and then send the letter to the client. And on rare occasions, I also create a design mockup just to make the people see how much better the website could be. And trust me, this way of finding clients works really well. Tip number 5. Join pages like Fever and Upwork. To be completely honest, I'm not a fan of those freelancing pages like Fever and Upwork, because firstly, as a beginner, you're supposed to work for a really low pay, and secondly, you are constantly competing with other freelancers out there, and there are tens of thousands of them. That's why I would leave pages like Fever and Upwork the last option. But I must say that if you do succeed, then it's a really great source of new projects. So this is it guys, my 5 tips for finding projects as a freelance developer. If you did like this video, then please do hit the subscribe button below. I thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!